everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. The Urad Dal Vada, that is the Medu Vada, is one of the most popular and favorite breakfasts in South India. So these vadas are usually had for breakfast, and today I am going to show you one variation to this regular vadas. I am going to make them with black Urad Dal, that is the Urad Dal which has its outermost layer intact without being polished away. These are so tasty, so why wait, let's get started and check out the recipe. For this recipe, I've soaked 1 cup of black Urad Dal for about 6 hours. You can also soak it overnight. So after soaking for 6 hours, you can see they're nice and plump. I've also soaked 1/4 cup of raw rice for about 6 hours. Discard the water, transfer the soaked rice into the mixer jar. Discard the water from the Urad Dal and transfer the soaked Urad Dal to the mixer jar. Add a piece of ginger that's been finely chopped, 1 green chilli chopped, a teaspoon of salt. Close the mixer jar and grind everything together. You can add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of water at intervals to get the right consistency. You don't want to add too much of water and make the batter runny because we're going to make vadas and the batter has to be nice and thick. The batter will be slightly coarse because we're grinding it along with the skin. Once you've transferred all the batter into the bowl, add about half onion finely chopped, a teaspoon of crushed pepper, a few chopped curry leaves, and mix everything well. So once you've mixed everything, the vada batter is ready. Pour enough oil for deep frying into a kadai. Heat the oil on medium flame. Once the oil is hot, start making the vadas. To make the vadas, I'm gently going to dip my fingers into the water and just rub it on my palm. Take a little bit of the batter, place it on the palm and gently press it down. By dabbing a little bit of water on top, the batter will not be sticky or it will not stick to your fingers. Just make a small hole in the center, pat it evenly on all sides. Once the oil is hot, gently drop in the prepared vadas into the hot oil. Deep fry them on medium flame till they turn to a nice golden brown color. Make the vadas in batches and fry them. You don't want to overcrowd the kadai. You can make this batter in advance and refrigerate it. You can remove the batter from the fridge just before making the vadas. Remove the fried crispy vadas and serve it with any chutney of your choice. I'm serving it with some nice spicy tomato chutney and coconut chutney by the side. You can enjoy it however you like. Just make sure you serve it nice and hot. This makes for a very nice evening snack. You can also enjoy it for breakfast along with some nice chutney and sambar. They're very simple and easy to make, these vadas. So do try them and let me know how it turned out for you guys. I'll give you a couple of links for the other vada recipes. You can try them as well. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. So here are these nice crispy vadas which are nice and soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. I've served it with 2 types of chutneys. You can enjoy it with any chutney or sambar of your choice. Make sure you serve it nice and hot. To try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.